That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning. This is the iCUE QL Series RGB PWM fan. It has 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs across 4 distinct light loops, so you can give your PC spectacular lighting from any angle. The QL RGB comes in both 120 and 140mm versions and are engineered to combine incredible RGB lighting with good airflow and low noise operation. The quad light loops and 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs can be seen from either side, front or back, so no matter your fan's orientation, whether push or pull, your lighting effects can be seen in all their glory. When combined with Corsair iCUE RGB controllers and our iCUE software, the QL's unique lighting enables you to get really creative with effects. We've crafted some unbelievable lighting presets, fully utilizing the 4 light loops and 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs. The QL series are visually stunning, but they're also whisper quiet. With PWM control, you can set your fan speeds up to 1500 RPM, pushing 41.8 CFM on the 120mm and 50.2 on the 140mm. This allows you to tune each fan to get that perfect balance between performance and noise. Additionally, the anti-vibration rubber dampers help reduce vibration, noise, and transfer. The iCUE QL RGB PWM fan with its 4 distinct light loops is the coolest looking fan we've ever made. And for those who want the best lighting for their build, the QL offers the most creative lighting effects to date, which look simply stunning from every angle. To learn more about the QL, visit Corsair.com.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. sound right, boys.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.